Here at Iron Mountain, we are coming into hail season. We've got a couple of vehicles that are brought in for hail damage. I'm going to tell you what, and I say this every year, just because your insurance company refers you to a place to go get your hail damage repaired, I would run. Half of these are storm chasers. They come in, there's zero warranty. They push these dents out when they should never have been done. They need to be replaced. So just because they tell you should go here, don't. Go to a legitimate shop and have it done, because if it needs to be replaced, it's going to be replaced. If the roof needs to be replaced, we will replace it. We're not going to do these substandard repairs where in about a year down the road, you come back and you're saying, well, you see where it's starting to peel and you can see the paint's cracked. That's because they over pushed it and it should have never been done. So whatever you do, don't go to these pop-up shops and think you're going to save money. Just remember, take it to a reputable shop. I prefer you take it to one of Iron Mountain collision repair facilities. So there you go.